10 Best Countries with Zero Income Tax. Number 10. Saint Kitts and Nevis. The complete list of countries with no income tax is dominated by the Caribbean Sea tax havens, and the first choice which allows you to easily get residency is the island nation Saint Kitts and Nevis that has no income tax or any other type of tax at all. Most of their revenue is received from tourism and their offshore financial industry. Number 9. Oman. Oman is considered one of the safest and friendliest countries in the world for immigrants to live and work. It's similar to any other Gulf country. Broadly speaking, Oman levies taxable income at 1% on businesses, and small taxpayers pay zero income tax. The big oil companies involved in petroleum operations are subject to tax at 25%. Oman is in fact a country with stable growth and development, leaving citizens to live a comfortable life with low or zero income taxes. Number 8. The Bahamas. Located off the coast between Miami and Cuba, the Bahamas is one of the richest countries on the list. The country has good infrastructure and it has a sound economy boosted by tourism and offshore finance. To get an annually renewable temporary residence permit is very easy in the Bahamas and costs just $1,000. If you invest at least $250,000 in real estate, you can acquire permanent residency here and hence become a tax resident. Number 7. Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands is one of the top tax havens for both large businesses and individuals. The British Overseas Territory, situated off the coasts of Cuba and Jamaica, boasts zero income tax and zero corporate tax for its residents. It has a population of around 60,000 residents only. Number 6. Qatar. Qatar is a rich country due to its oil reserves. In Qatar, only some companies need to pay income tax. Salaries and wages in this country are taxed, while some self-employment and other types of income aren't. Import tax is the only tax levied in Qatar, that too at a quite reasonable rate. However, it is tough for immigrants to get permanent residency because the eligibility criteria is strict and only a few lawyers have expertise in the area. You must have lived in the country for over 6 years even to be eligible for permanent residency. Number 5. United Arab Emirates. The UAE has a flourishing economy and a more multicultural environment than most countries in the Middle East. UAE does not levy income tax on individuals. However, it levies a corporate tax on oil companies and foreign banks. Number 4. Bahrain. Bahrain is one of the most attractive Gulf states where people want to reside. Here you can become a resident without even a company assignment or without getting married. Bahrain does not levy any personal income tax. However, citizens have to pay 7% of their income in Social Security, while immigrants pay only 1%. Even renting homes and real estate transfers are tax-free. Number 3. Bermuda. Bermuda is considered a tax haven, although it does levy a number of taxes, such as payroll tax on employers and land taxes. There is, however, no corporate income tax in Bermuda. Due to its isolated location, it is one of the most expensive places to live. Number 2. Kuwait. Kuwait is a rich Gulf state with an abundant oil supply that levies no tax to its citizens. However, acquiring a permanent residence permit is very tough here, and you can acquire this only if you are sent to this country by a company. The Kuwaiti dinar is the most valuable currency in the world. Number 1. Monaco. Monaco is considered a tax haven because of its tax laws and policies. To get the resident status in Monaco, a person must live here for 6 months and 1 day out of the year. A person can get a legal residence permit here in less than 3 months, but requires to deposit approximately $500,000 in a Monaco bank. Monaco neither collects capital gains tax nor levies net wealth taxes. The crime rate here is also one of the lowest in the world. However, Monaco is one of the most expensive places in the world to live. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.